Hello, how are my cutie cues doing today? Mwah. I miss you so much. Today we are having king crab and shrimp loaded nachos. I have the recipe down below for you guys. It's super easy, super simple. I tried to show you guys how I made it, but the lighting in my kitchen was it was a fail, you guys. I am drinking mango, you guys, the mango dragon fruit. I'm gonna go ahead and take my Eat with Q apple cider vinegar capsules. The link for these will be in the description box if you're interested. And I am ready to dig into these nachos, you guys. They are so good. I cannot wait. Oh, I want to get a big piece for y'all. I'm gonna let y'all see this. All the sauce is down here. So good. It's so good. It's so easy to make. So good. So much flavor. Trying to get a good piece so y'all can see it. See what I'm saying? It's very messy, but it's so good. It's filled with So basically, I made like you can use the sauce that I spread over the chips as like a dip. And like I said, I have all the ingredients down below. But if you don't like cream cheese and sour cream, you wouldn't like the recipe because that's what it has in it. So happy Sunday, everybody. I hope you guys are having a great day. I hope you guys had a good weekend. I'm having a great weekend. Last night, Scott and I were invited to our neighbor's house for a little get together. And that was really, really nice. I'm so glad that we went because normally when it comes to like neighbors and stuff, like I just want to just mind my business. I never wanted to be like a nosy neighbor. I actually don't like nosy neighbors. It's very annoying. So we just mind our business. And they invited us, and we had such a good time. Now, you guys, I am like an occasional drinker. I don't really like to drink that much because it just, I don't know, it's just not my thing. I like wine. But that hard liquor, But I did let loose a little bit. I had a few drinks. We had such a good time. You guys gotta try it. It is so good. Sundays I like to plan my week. So that's what I'm gonna do today. And relax, clean up the house a little bit. Nothing major. If you like any of the ingredients or all of the ingredients, you gotta make these chips. Seafood nachos. But I'm actually really glad that we went to the event last night, because I think it is good to know your neighbors, like at least one neighbor. Just in case like you're going, and especially us, we leave a lot. We're always out of town, so that was really nice. So my fingers in the last video were hurting so bad. I actually really hurt a lot of my fingers by taking my nails off, which I'll never do that again. But they're finally starting to heal up. But I think I'm going to keep my nails off for a little while. Not too long. Because I do like getting my nails done. There's a piece of shrimp. So you guys, we're going to do a new color every month. And I like you guys to help me with my color. You guys help me with the next color that we're getting. And I have my appointment on the 1st. So you guys, thank you so much for picking it today. Thank you so much for picking August hair color. Super exciting. I can't wait. It's gonna look so good. Ooh. Excuse me. Oh, a piece of shrimp. Ooh. These nachos are so easy to make. Literally, it takes like 10 minutes. And I cut little pieces of king crab up at the top. Looks good. Thank you guys so much for supporting Scott. He's very excited about his channel. I'm excited for him. Make sure you guys go, if you haven't already, subscribe. He is so excited. Oh, you guys, I had a special guest. She'll be back in August. But when she came over, the battery, I've been having issues with my battery because I left my charger in Miami. So I've been having issues with my battery and everything like that. So we finally got the charger for this camera, the proper charger. So she'll be back. We're going to refilm everything, but that's why I couldn't, post that video. But I had so much fun last night. I said to myself, I'm going to be getting out more. Look at that. Oh my God. That drink from Starbucks is so good. And the tomatoes. So good. Seafood nachos, man. Seafood nachos. It's a big piece with shrimp. I definitely want you guys to try these nachos. They are so good. It's so good, make me not even want to talk. Excuse me. I am full. So good. Oh my gosh, you guys. That was so delicious. You guys, please try these seafood nachos. You will not be disappointed. Bursting with flavor. Super, super easy. Don't complicate it. Tweak it the way you want. Make it how you want. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for tuning in for another video. I will definitely see you guys tomorrow for sure. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys. I love you guys so much, and I will see you tomorrow for another video. Bye.